Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, what boy? But there again, manners and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, so in this video, I'm going to present to you a certain amount of videos that are being talked about on social media. And with that, I'm going to start off with the pieces of videos about a situation or a topic that I've been thinking. I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between a person and the police from within the country of Jamaica. One of these pieces of videos shows when a police officer hit a person with an object. And that person who the police officer hit with the object, in my point of view, behaved in certain ways, which I've been thinking, because the way or at least one police officer react or treat the situation when the person started to behave certain ways, it makes me wonder who was in the right from who was in the wrong when it comes down to the situation during subscribers. So let's take a look at these pieces of videos, and based on what I can see in these videos, you can tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to this type of situation. Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me. Pardon the audio.
Right? Alright.
Right? People, you know, certain things are out there. You know, on and off. But you see what happened?
Yeah, but I police were wrong, you know. I man go, man, I tell him say, where you want this document, you see it. And all he can't tell the man why problem. And then, in a taxi, you sure I'm not looking back?
Hold on, my people. Hold on. You see me, I say because me I try to hear what really and truly happening. You know? You understand? See me? I go say, listen back to the part here, some people. Listen with me. Listen. Me can't really totally clearly hear what the person say. If you hear what the person say, you can let me know. See, but in my point of view, it seems as if at least one police officer was trying to calm the person down when it comes down to that situation, them people, and that is what really and truly have me thinking. Because if a person does something that is wrong or illegal, most likely, I'm not going to say it's a must, but most likely, or it can lead to a situation where police might arrest the person. So the whole situation, I'm wondering who might be right from who might be in the wrong when it comes down to that situation. Well, let me know what I think, yeah, my people. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that I think some people on social media found to be funny. While there are some persons who might have thought different about the video or the situation that they can see in the video. In the next video I'm going to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person talked about at least the two persons. And the video shows at least the two motor vehicles that was not moving. I am not able to confirm if what a person said in this video about at least two persons are true. But I would like you to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think about what the person said. You can tell me if you believe what the person said, or if you do not believe what the person said, you can also tell me if you found the video to be funny or not. Viewer discretion is advised before this video. Observe with me.
Two Wothliss Taximan, them people could one a jar, one a one out of gas could Wothliss Taximan, them pan them before pass road. God Almighty, look at this now, people. One run out of gas, one a jar, one got gas station, and the next one run out of gas. See the people, two of them get too drunk for them classes.
Well, me see where one person was at the side of one of the motor vehicles where, hoping for, where the person had do certain things there. So me see that, but me I try to look for something, because there's something me I try to look for. Alright, me notice I see this right there, so what me see? Yeah, me notice me see this thing right at the side, yeah, so each arm on the window, yeah, so that have me thinking as well. You see? Let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, here's another video that I've been thinking, my people. See? This video shows when a person walk to a certain spot or within a certain area, picked up something, and in my point of view, the person walk away from that spot or that area or that place. See? But what I've been thinking is the way all the person moved, or the way the person behaved, when the person went to the spot and picked up that thing. And what also I've been thinking is, me say what seems to be someone's elbow. So then I can look at the video and tell me if you see somebody elbow in the video, because me I wonder if me I see right. And you can also tell me what you think you see the person take up as well. So you can also tell me what I think about the person's behavior. Viewer discretion is advised before this video. Observe with me. So look, the person walk to a certain part, so like the person, watch it. You see that? The way the person do certain things. Now, my people, tell me, if you see suspicious behavior there, so let me know. And just to make it be very clear, I don't have any confirmed information as to where this video had been recorded. Alright, my people, now take a look at this video that had been recorded where there was a party. The video shows a person holding a hose that was spraying water out of it during subscribers. Now take a look at who was holding that hose. Take a look at the type of clothes that the person was wearing that was holding that hose that was spraying water. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Sit up on it. Sit up on it, good girl. Right there, sit up on it. Sit up on it, girl. One over.
So hold on. Match up the others.
Water person. Turn off the water for a minute.
What? It looked like a party that is hot. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a fight or a struggle between two persons. And one of those persons who was involved in the fight or the struggle went inside of a public transportation motor vehicle, and the person also operated that motor vehicle. The video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. I got the understanding that at least two persons did what they could to try and de-escalate that type of situation. Now, even though I didn't get any confirmed information as to what caused the fight or the struggle between those two persons, I do got the understanding that there was a disagreement between those persons that led to that type of situation. But what was the disagreement about? Yes, the situation I'm thinking. I take notice of the color shirts that at least the two persons who me see in the video was wearing, which I've been thinking because of certain information that I got some time ago. But anyways, I don't want to jump to a conclusion. The video is being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. So I would like you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about this type of situation for your subscribers. So please bear that in mind, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
That's huge. Oh, the blood clot is that.
Those at least 2 channels in this.
Man, me on the thought, bro.
Please escalate that type of situation.
Alright, bro. I know. Jesus Christ.
But one other part of this I've been thinking is look over the other side of the motor vehicle. You see this one of those persons who was involved in the fight. You see the person over there? So one inside of the motor vehicle and one was standing over the other side of the motor vehicle. So, for some reason, this video is being talked about on social media, you know, and just present it to you so you can take a look at it. Yeah, because it's been talked about on social media, you know. So you go, social media. Surprised to see and hear some things that get talked about on social media, just so you go. My people, so what you think about the situation, then let me know what you think about all the videos that I presented to you. You can let me know in the comment section of this video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch.
Dancehall skilla.